How to turn on get live notifications from accounts you follow on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok, then open it, and then when your TikTok is opening, as you see, you will just go down to profile, go to profile, then go to this three line here, and then go to settings and privacy. After this, go to notifications and go down to live notifications, and then you have to turn on this by clicking here and make it look like this in the blue color. That's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.